Oh man, so much teasing about the wave. That's it, I'm out of here. I got it. The wave. Doesn't matter how I got it. What matters is that it's finally here. Alright, I didn't really work in Exway headquarters. What were you thinking? I was invited there by my good friend Jimmy to take a look at the new Exway Wave. I'll start by saying that I love Exway boards. I have the X1 Pro and the Flex, and now, as you can see, the Wave. That being said, I'll try to don't be biased on my review. If there is something I don't like, I promise I'll tell you. Let's start with design. This is a short board, so it's slightly shorter than a long board. But there isn't much different though. There is a concave that gives great feedback, and it is comfortable to stand on it no matter how big your feet are or how long you're riding it. Like most short boards, it is a stiff deck. It doesn't flex at all. It comes with the same tracks and wheels as the Flex. 3 tracks, in my opinion, the best tracks you can find on any electric skateboard, and 85mm Exway wheels, which are very similar to the orangutan wheels. They're excellent. The Wave have swappable drivetrains, which means you can buy it with hub motors or belt drive motors. I have the belt system Riot 2.0, which is actually very quiet for a belt drive system, and I can change the wheels for a smaller or bigger size. A great alternative wheels would be the Exway Cloud Wheels 105mm. I personally would like to keep these wheels because I want my Wave to be as small and light as it can possibly be, and this will be my travel board. I plan to bring this board wherever I go. The battery is hot swappable, no tools needed. Just push this button and pull down. You can charge the battery without being connected to the board. I think that's a first for any e-skate. Same as the Flex, the battery in this board is smart, with very accurate measurements, and if you fully charge the board but don't use it for a certain period of time, the battery will automatically discharge to 60% to protect the longevity of it. Exway is releasing a 99 watts battery very soon, which means you could take this board on an airplane. That's one of my favorite features on this board. Well, that is if I can get on an airplane, again, anytime soon. Like all that is not enough, there is also LED programmable tail lights, and there is also front lights that you can control with your remote control. Double tapping the remote, lights goes on. They're quite strong and powerful. And the good thing, you don't need to worry about charging this light because they're using the same battery as your board, which means, this light will go on forever and you never need to worry about charging them. ESC is the Exway Custom Hobby Wing, which is simply the best ESC I have ever experienced. Very smooth acceleration and braking, and with the possibility to customization of the cars via the Exway app. The riding experience on this board is very Exway-like. If you ever ride an Exway, you know what I'm talking about, and if you haven't ride an Exway before, it means good. It's really good. Either you're a beginner or expert rider, you'll definitely feel good riding the Wave. With the standard battery, I can get somewhere around 25 miles per hour with turbo on and a range of 12 miles. I'm well over 200 pounds and 5'9". I'm sure a lighter rider will get better range and maybe speed. So let's talk about what's not so great about this board. The battery is not sealed properly, so waterproof is not gonna be as good as the predecessor. That being said, I highly recommend not to ride in any wet surface with street wheels. It's extremely dangerous. Another thing that is worth mentioning, you cannot pull this board like you would with a longboard. If you need to carry this board for a long distance, you have to lift it and take it with you, but because it's shorter, it's a bit more comfortable to carry than a longboard. And then it's just about preference. The remote control is exactly the same as all the Exway board remotes. Nothing wrong with that. Actually, it's one of my favorite ESK remotes. It's small, nice grip, with LCD screen, but it's time for Exway to update the micro USB port and have a Type-C connection. In conclusion, the Exway Wave is hands down the best shortboard in the market by far, and in making a case to be one of the best boards ever made. By the way, if you feel overwhelmed by the amount of information on this video, you can check the Wave Beginner's Review by my good friend Hannah in her channel or ESK Paradise channel. I also drop a link below for you to buy this awesome board. Hope you enjoyed this review, and if you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you up on the next video. That's it. I'm gonna go skate with the Wave.